Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search in the INFINIX Hot 20. So, there is two ways on this device, by the Google Lens and by the web browser. We will start from the Google Lens method. To do it, just open the Google Photos on your phone. And choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one. Now just tap on the lens icon. How you can see now Google looking for similar or the same image. This is the first way. The second way is by the web browser, so we have to open it now and go to the google.com. Now it's very important step. Just go to the three-dot icon and enable desktop site. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload a photo. Add the permissions to your gallery and choose the photo again. Here you can see now Google looking for similar images. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or comment, and goodbye.